Oh, out of has Halo past the begin, moving a party out, so now is Big Apple together with Daredevil Dissipate rushing up by the rail and going along for the first turn. We have Halo and Dissipate fighting it out for the lead. Daredevil is racing in third, then followed by Big Apple in fourth, blowing at Harbor Magic is racing in sixth, and a long way back to Grand Sensation and Bertong Balutan is the early trailer. We have the Easy Pit by about 3-4 Balenga as Halo is running by the second, then in third Daredevil blowing at is racing in fourth. Harbor Magic is on the outside Pipa, then comes Big Apo, Grand Sensation and Bertong Balutan. Easy Pit by only Alenga, then here comes a Halo now moving up on the outside to take the leader. Halo by Oralenga. Dissipate back in second, blowing out in third, moving up Harbor Magic, Daredevil. Last 150, we have Halo by Oralenga. Dissipate in second, blowing at Harbor Magic. Last 75 meters, we have Halo by about 3 lengths, and finally Halo. Dissipate, Harbor Magic, then comes blowing at Daredevil.
12875 Dissipate, or that's Halo.